Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, where I enjoy sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, everything purple, and so much more. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Today I am cleaning my master closet, part 2. I didn't want to make my first video too long, so today I will be showing you my finished project. I begin this process by clearing out all the clothing items in my closet. Then I sort, purge, and pack up everything that I'm going to be donating to charity. I do the same thing with the shoes and jewelry. So sit back and relax while I finish working on this closet project, and I'll meet you later on. Now that I'm finished with all of my summer sandals, I am going to give the bottom of my closet a good vacuum before I move on to my jewelry box. I love costume jewelry, but sometimes it turns into a tangled mess. The pieces are broken, the clips have come off earrings, some of it is no longer usable, and do I throw it away? No. I chuck it back into the jewelry box. I really need to go through everything and get rid of what doesn't work for me. And what better time than the Out with the Old, In with the New open collaboration hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living and a bunch of talented co-hosts, including myself, which will all be linked in my description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So make sure you stop by for some awesome cleaning motivation. Now back to work for me. I am packing up everything that's going to go to the donation bin, and I end up having to split this bag in two because I couldn't lift it all. But here we are now at the reveal, and it may not be Pinterest worthy, but it is neat, clean, organized, decluttered, and I can find exactly what I need. and I am so happy with it. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you again for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. So until next time.